Just how good is Chinese soup if you make it in a rice cooker? So, let's try. I went with the simplest of Chinese soups for this experiment, the ABC vegetable soup. Yay! A few tips before we begin. This portion serves 2 to 3 people. Keep it simple. Use small cuts of meat if you're going to use meats. Slice things thinly so they cook faster. Use the longest cooking session possible for optimal cooking. This soup uses 10 pieces of fresh cut pork ribs, 1 potato, 1 carrot, half a corn, 3 dried red dates, and 2 dried pieces of Chinese yam. Green onions optional for garnish. Modern rice cookers cook quite evenly, but I still like to layer my soup with the heavier meats on the bottom, vegetables next, and then the herbs on top and a pinch of salt. For this soup, I set it to cook for 60 minutes. You don't need to mix it around, just trust the machine and 60 minutes later, magic! Use an oil scooper before serving to get rid of excess oil and bone bits. This soup was super tasty with soft vegetables and falling off the bone meats. Seriously, this rice cooker soup making thing is perfect for students, dorm living, small families, set it and forget it kind of people, and you can even use the timer function so you can have ready-made soup when you come home. Let me know what other recipes you've tried. Happy cooking! See you later!